Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number which is attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one, and this one will open the regulatory information. And the code for it is *#07#. And as I said, we've got the regulatory information, so we can check the model and the head and the body of our device. Let's go back actually, and let me open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225#*##. And as I said, here we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. So it is *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected or signal level should also be right here. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got much more info. So for example, we've got the heartbeat, we can check the last ping or HB algorithm. Let me go back and let me show you another code which will open the phone information. And the code for it is *##4636###. I missed the pound asterisk. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so as you can see, we've got the NFC settings, Wi-Fi and phone info, usage statistics and debugging information. So let's tap on it. As you can see, don't allow. As you can see here, we've got the LTE status, the state, the downlink channel, a lot of technical information about the 5G or LTE debugging. So you can check the info there. You can also check the phone information, And as you can see here, we've got the info just like the email number, which we've previously checked by the code, the short code. We've got the phone number. Of course, you cannot check mine. It is because I do not have my SIM inserted, so that's why I do not have any results here. But no worries, you will have one. So the car network roaming data service, and so on and so on. Here we can run ping tests, of course, also, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can, for example, select radio band or enable data connection. Let me go back. We've got also the usage statistics, so here you've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. You can decide how you want to sort them by usage time, last time used or app name. So for example, after picking the app name, your device will list everything alphabetically. Let's go back and let's check the Wi-Fi information. We've got the API configuration and the status. Let me pick the status, for example. We can refresh the stats here, and we can check the things like the network state, SSID or network ID. You can also run ping tests here. And basically, that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.